Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to use the vintage suit effect on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this effect is where you can pretend to be an old-timey British gangster, and users have called this as an inspiration from the British drama Peaky Blinders. So let me show you how to use it. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Discover, search for Vintage Suit. It will appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it. Now it may not be available in all the countries, but keep checking as TikTok is slowly rolling out to everyone. Now scroll through the videos on how others have used this effect. The sound comes from the movie Legend, and the voice is Tom Hardy where he's demanding some money. Tap on the video and make sure you save the audio to your favorites. Now once you're ready, tap on the record button to use the effect. The effect will make you wear a cap and an old vintage suit. Tap on sound at the top and select the audio from your favorites. Now make sure you come armed with some epic one-liners about owing money. And there you go, that is how to use the vintage suit effect on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.